Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DED token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting May 9th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Telegram at Dedbird. And they have 18,957 Telegram members. 1,639 of them are online. That's a great place to talk to other community members about the project, to learn more, ask questions, all that type of stuff. And they also have here a Twitter, which I'm going to put on the screen as usual, at Dotisded, Dotisded. They have the blue verified checkmark, 318 tweets. So it says, Dead is a Memecoin. And they have a link to their webpage right there as well, Dotisded.io. 29,800 Twitter followers. And in their most recent tweet, and they pinned it as well, is their brand new central exchange listing announcement. So this token will be listed May 9th, which is tomorrow. May 9th, 11 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DED, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So if you go over to their webpage, Dotisded.io, they have all sorts of information over there. So it looks like it's going to be listed on some decentralized exchanges. So right now it is only live on HydraDX, it says. But coming in the future, it will be on BeamSwap and StellaSwap. And then it says central exchange listings to be announced, which is, Mexc Global. So they have here a webpage, Dotisded.io, with you can trade. They have links to trade on Polkadex, which looks like another place you can get the token. Polkadex, HydraDX, Moonbeam soon. Then they have a section. It says DED dashboard on Dune, Afterlife, a roadmap, crime scene, dead post, dead games, brand kit, frequently asked questions, and join the Telegram. So basically, it says here that their roadmap starts with phase 1, develop a snapshot tool. So that is done. Then lower ED on Asset Hub, and that is done as well. Then they're going to do the dead drop. So they did it like a big airdrop, which is in phase 2. Take a snapshot, distribute 0.01 DOT to 1.3 million wallets. So they did that already. So a lot of these tokens that are meme tokens, I see this a lot. They will airdrop a ton of other users, maybe whatever chain it's on, they'll airdrop the people who own that coin, or like They'll just airdrop another popular meme like Shiba Inu or Bonk or something like that. And then it's a good way to advertise their token because people go, what is this? Why did I get this token? You know, because that was the last step of phase 2 was airdrop the DED token. So they did that already. So usually when I do a video on tokens like this, people will go, I just received this token in my wallet. I don't know where this came from. So it's like a great advertising strategy for tokens because then you know, people will go look up the token afterwards and think about why they got the token in their wallet airdropped to them. So then phase 3 is going to be native dexes. So Polkadex, Hydra DX, so that's live on those two. And then Stella Swap and Beam Swap are coming next. And then it says after that will be central exchange listings. And that's where we're at right now. And then they're going to update the roadmap after that. So it says, due to a recent turn of events, Dotisded was unable to receive the required funding from the Polkadot treasury to deploy DED. Despite the support of the community, there were several large voters who rejected the proposal to fund the ED Plus development costs of this community-generated project. So the new tokenomics, V3, reflect the change and aims to prioritize the needs of DED holders above all else, with project longevity as DED's foundation top priority. So how they have the new tokenomics here is basically 30% of the tokens are going to the ecosystem growth, which is going to be future DED airdrops, prizes, and giveaways. We got 30% going to the treasury, which is going to be for central exchange listings like Mexc Global, DED tech development and marketing. 30% going to early investors, so private capital allocators that provided the funding necessary to deploy DED and ensure a long runway of marketing and development vested for 2 years with a 1-year cliff. And then we got 5% going to the team vested for 2 years with a 1-year cliff. And then we got 5% to the initial airdrop, which is what I was just talking about. Airdrop to be completed by March 25th, 2024. 50 billion DED tokens. So they have here a fixed supply of 1 trillion tokens, it says, secured by Polkadot. And it says you can read more about our timeline here. You click on that, it'll take you to a different page. And they talk about how their Telegram group was created, all this stuff here. They have all these different threads. They show posts. It takes you over to a Google document, basically. But you can find all this information on their webpage, dotisded.io, linked on this Twitter right here. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global as of tomorrow, May 9th, 11 o'clock UTC time. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Especially that Mexc Global one. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for daily crypto videos. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.